Okay, so I'm just going to go through some of the basics of using Drop.io. Drop.io is a online file sharing service, and it's free. You can share up to 100 megabytes of files, and you can share it with anybody or just for yourself if you want to have quick and easy access. First thing for setting up Drop.io, we'll go to a web browser here. Just type into Google Drop.io. IO stands for in and out, if you're wondering what that is. Go to the second link, and you'll see it'll give you some options. This is the website here. You can see for your drop. If you want to keep your own custom name, say for example if you want to put Radioheads or something of the like, there are specific rules for creating a Drop.io name. If you refresh, you'll see it'll give you your own randomly created name. You can just copy and paste that later. You'll see once we create a drop, up at the top here we have the address, so you can just copy that or bookmark it to get back to it easily. First thing you want to do is put a password. So my password is going to be Radioheads. I'm going to put my own email down, chrismaynard5@gmail.com, and don't check the last box, that'll just give you junk mail. Go save settings, and so it'll show you this drop is empty. So first thing we want to do is add some files. So I just clicked on add up here, and I go select files, and I'm going to take some files from a Radioheads folder that I have. Some of the instructional material that we have from before, some of the stuff we've been working on. So I'm going to upload the first file, beginning on reporting. And so it'll say ready to upload one file, and just click upload files. You'll see it going. Now this will take a few minutes. Great thing about this is, like I said, you can share it with anybody. We'll be using this to post all our files that we'll be working with, and that way everybody can have access to them whenever they want, as long as you got internet access. So we can click on view, and it'll show our all the files that we have. Right now we only have one, and you can, if you have a whole bunch of files, there's all kinds of options to search through them. There's also sharing options, so if you want to do it through Facebook or Twitter or whatever, and we can always add more files. So it's just as simple as downloading and uploading with any kind of files, and you just click and drop it. So I'm adding in another file. You'll see it'll come up here. Now we got 2 files in here. So to download those files, you got some options. You can preview it depending on what kind of file type it is. You can add comments on it for the other people that you're sharing, and you can delete it. You can send to other drops that you've created, or you can send it by email. If you click on it, it'll give you the option to download, so you can just click download, and it'll ask you can just open it or save the file. You've got some other options, the same thing as before. Remember, always copy your Drop.io address up here at the top. Copy that, and if you want to send an email, just send that link to somebody who you want to share it to. Give them the password, so it would be Radioheads in this case, and they can drop and add and do everything that you can do. Like I said, up to 100 megabytes, which is more than enough to do most simple stuff, and we'll be working with this a lot in the Radioheads project.